साथीहरू नमस्कार गर्दै स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु तपाईहरुलाई आजको हाम्रो भिडियोमा। आजको हाम्रो भिडियोको कन्टेन्ट रहनेछ व्हाट इज मीन बाइ फन्ड, व्हाई शुड द बैंक म्यानेज फन्ड एन्ड स्टेट द मेन सोर्सेस अफ फन्ड अफ कमर्सियल बैंक। साथीहरू भिडियोमा अन्तिमसम्म रहिदिनु होला। सुरु गरौँ आजको हाम्रो भिडियो। इन अ फाइनेन्शियल कन्टेक्स्ट, अ फन्ड टाइपिकली रिफर्स to a pool of money that is set aside for a specific purpose. This can include various types of financial assets such as cash, stock, bond, or combination of these. In general, the term fund can be used more broadly to indicate money available for a particular purpose, such as budget allocation for a project or a reserve set aside for emergencies. The bank should manage fund for various purposes. Some of them are listed and explained below. साथीहरु यो माथिको भयो फन्डको डेफिनेसन। अब यहाँदेखि तल चाहिँ हामी बैंकले फन्ड चाहिँ किन म्यानेज गर्नुपर्छ, केका लागि फन्ड म्यानेज गर्नुपर्छ भनेर हेर्नेछौँ। एकदमै सजिलो टपिक रहेको छ, तर लेख्दाखेरि के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि आदि लेख्दा लेख्दै अड्किन्छ, त्यहाँदेखि त के लेख्ने भन्ने कुरामै हाम्रो कन्फ्युजन रहन्छ। सुरु गरौँ उतको भिडियो तलको। एक नम्बरमा छ रिस्क मिटिगेसन। बैंक म्यानेज फन्ड टु डाइभर्सिफाई investments, spreading risk across various assets to minimize the impact of potential losses. 2 ma cha financial stability. Effective fund management helps to maintain the stability of the banking system, fostering confidence among depositor and investors. 3 ma cha liquid management. Bank is ensure that they have sufficient liquid to meet the withdrawals demand, managing fund to balance short-term obligation and long-term investments. साथीहरु हामीसँग 4 नम्बरमा रहेको छ प्रॉफिट जेनरेसन. Fund management strategies aim to generate return, enabling bank to earn profit through interest income fees and other investment gains. 5 नम्बरमा छ कस्टमर सर्भिस. By managing fund responsibility, bank can offer competitive interest rate on deposit and losses, attracting to the retaining customers. 6 नम्बरमा छ capital adequacy. Effective fund management contribute to meet regular capital requirements, ensuring the bank financial health and compliance with industry standards. 7 मा रहेको छ economic growth. Bank play a crucial role in allocating capital to productive sector, supporting economic growth by providing financing to businesses and individuals. 8 मा रहेको छ bank manage fund to align the maturity and interest rate profiles of assets and liabilities, reducing the risk of imbalances. साथीहरु 9 नम्बरमा हामीसँग रहेको छ regular compliance. Sound fund management practices help bank comply with regulatory guidelines and maintaining a strong financial position, fostering a stable financial system. त्यसैगरी 10 नम्बरमा हामीसँग रहेको छ innovation and adaptation. Bank adapt their fund management strategy to changing market conditions, technological advancement and economic trend to remain competitive and resilient. साथीहरु हामीले यी 10 वटा पोइन्टमा व्याख्या गरिसक्यौं बैंकलाई चाहिँ फन्ड किन म्यानेज गर्न आवश्यक हुन्छ भनेर। अब यसपछि तलतिर हामी जाने छौं मेन सोर्सेस अफ फन्ड अफ कमर्सियल बैंक। यसको पनि हामीले 10 वटा पोइन्ट लिएर आएका छौं साथीहरु, भिडियोमा अन्तिमसम्म रहिदिनु होला। What are the main sources of fund of commercial bank? The main sources of fund of commercial bank include the following. साथीहरु 1 नम्बरमा डिपोजिट इज द मेन सोर्स अफ फन्ड कलेक्सन भनेर सबैलाई थाहा नै छँदैछ। द प्राइमरी सोर्स वेयर इन्डिभिजुअल एन्ड बिजनेसेस डिपोजिट मनी इन भेरियस टाइप्स अफ अकाउन्ट सच एज सेभिङ, करेन्ट एन्ड फिक्स्ड डिपोजिट आर द फर्स्ट एन्ड प्राइमरी सोर्स अफ फन्ड। 2 नम्बरमा रहेको छ इन्टरब्याङ्क बोरोइङ. Bank may borrow fund from other bank to meet short-term liquidity needs and manage fluctuation in their reserve requirements. 4 नम्बरमा रहेको छ borrowing from central bank. Bank can borrow from the central bank to address the temporary shortage of funds or comply with reserve requirements. साथीहरु 4 नम्बरमा छ क्यापिटल कन्ट्रिब्युसन। Bank raises capital through the issuance of stock or other financial instrument representing ownership in the institutions. 5 नम्बरमा रहेको छ retained earning. Profit earned by the bank that are not distributed as dividend contribute to its capital base, serving as an internal source of fund. 6 नम्बरमा रहेको छ subordinate debt. Bank may issue subordinate debt as a form of borrowing, typically with a lower priority for repayment compared to other debt. 7 नम्बरमा रहेको छ customers loan. Loan extended to individuals and businesses generate income for the bank, serving as the source of fund. 8 नम्बरमा रहेको छ investment. Bank invest in various financial investment such as government securities and corporate bond to earn return and diversify their source of income. साथीहरु त्यसै गरी 9 नम्बरमा हामीसँग रहेको छ foreign borrowing. Bank may secure fund by borrowing from international market, often through issuing bond or participating in global financial transactions. साथीहरु 10 नम्बरमा हामीसँग रहेको छ beside interest income, bank generate 10 नम्बरमा हामीसँग रहेको छ fee and commission income. Beside interest income, bank generate funds through fees charged for services like account maintenance, transaction and financial advisory services. साथीहरु हामीले आजको एन्सर सकिसकेका छौं. What is fund? Why does bank need to manage the fund? अनि what are the main sources of fund? हामीले तीनटा कुरा जान्यौं आज. अब एन्सर लेखिसकेपछि हामी कन्क्लुजन तर्फ अगाडि जाउँ. कन्क्लुजनमा लेखिएको छ fund can be called as lifeblood of the bank. Bank should maintain fund in order to smooth running of it as well as create a way to inject fund regularly. साथीहरु भिडियोमा अन्तिमसम्म रहिदिनु भएकोमा धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु. अब अर्को भिडियो तपाईहरुलाई कुन टपिकमा चाहिएको छ त्यो पनि कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला. हस्त धन्यवाद. थ्यांक यू फर वाचिङ आवर भिडियो टिल एन्ड.